Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make the absolute best salsa for tacos. We'll start by gathering our essential, fresh ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe tomatoes, 1 small onion, and 2 jalapenos for that perfect kick. Don't forget a generous bunch of fresh cilantro and the juice from 1 whole lime to brighten everything up. This combination is key to an unforgettable salsa. Next, we're going to roast our vegetables. Place your tomatoes, jalapenos, and about 1/4 of your onion on a hot pan or baking sheet. Roast them until they develop a beautiful char, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step brings out their natural sweetness and adds an incredible smoky depth that truly elevates the salsa's overall flavor profile. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully transfer your roasted vegetables into a blender. Add a generous handful of fresh cilantro, 1 peeled clove of garlic, the juice of 1 whole lime, and about 1/2 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Pulse the mixture just a few times. We want a chunky, rustic texture, not a completely smooth puree, for that authentic homemade feel. Finally, give your salsa a taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want a little more salt or a splash more lime juice. For the best flavor, let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This allows all those wonderful ingredients to truly meld together. Then, spoon this incredible, fresh salsa generously onto your favorite tacos and enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.